Hello, welcome to Zero Markets. We will show you how to request a free VPS and what the conditions are for application. First, go to Zero Markets website. Click Tools in the navigation bar and click 4x VPS. On this page, you can register for a free VPS. Fill in the form provided and click Send. Once you have submitted the form, Zero Markets support team will contact you by phone, email, live chat. What are the conditions for a VPS? If you trade more than 10 lots on our standard account or 20 lots on our Super Zero account, Zero Markets will provide you with a complimentary VPS solution. If you are new to CFD trading, we will cover a VPS plan for you if you fund your account with $1,000 or more and trade the required volume per month. If you have any other questions, please contact our support team.